Okay, good. All of you take this note. All of you noted down this question. A three-phase 400 volts, 50 Hz, 960 RPM, 6-pole star connected slip ring induction motor. Slip ring induction motor, star connected system here. Okay, as the following constants refer to the stator side. R1 is equal to 0.4, R2 dash is equal to 0.6. Okay, X1 is equal to X2 dash is equal to 1.4. The motor drives a fan load. Okay, for fan type load at 960 RPM. The stator to rotor trans ratio is 2. What is the resistance must be connected in phase of the rotor circuit to reduce the speed to 800 RPM. It's 203.
Yes, sir.
So tell me just what is the given data here in this? Let's wait. Just I'm asking the given data. What is the given data here? Take this question. Just tell me. It's complete.
Yes, sir.
Tell me given data. I'm asking. So what is the voltage here in this question? What is the voltage? 400 volts. Okay. And then star connected or delta connected system? Star connected. Okay. Star connected. Okay. Then 400 volts. Supply voltage is 400 volts. And then frequency? 50 hertz. Good. And then poles? 6 poles. Star connected. Spring induction motor as a constant refers to the status. So R1 is equal to stator rotor, stator resistance 0.4 ohms. And then next R2 dash 0. Okay. Then X1 leakage reactance 1.4 ohm. And then speed is also given. Much 960 RPM. And stator to rotor trans ratio. Okay. Rotor turns ratio. Turns ratio is equal to 2. So this is the given data. So your number 203. Yeah? Okay. Then 204. Stator to. There is no use of that, but the problem. Some problems are this given data, extra data. Okay. There is no use of that in the problem. Okay. Without using that, we are getting the results now. So that is, for example, if you want to refer to the rotor resistance, rotor refer to the, that means rotor refer value external resistance, refer to the stator side. If you want to find the rotor resistance, refer to the stator side. This use this stator to rotor trans ratio. Understood? Clear?
Yes.
The rotor trans ratio, by using this rotor trans ratio, same as transformer. Okay. How to convert secondary to primary by K square? R2 dash is equal to R2 by K square. No? Similar way, rotor to stator. By using K means N2 by N1. Here, A turns ratio A, N1 by N2. That means R2 into A square, otherwise R2 by K square. So we will get stator side. Resistance referred to the status. So here, first find, all of you find a synchronous speed. In this problem, find a synchronous speed. N is equal to 120 F by P. Who is next? 204. 204 is our option. 205. Tell me what is the synchronous speed here? 120 into 50 divided by 6 is equal to 1000 RPM. Well, okay. Then it's convert into readings per second. Same as previous problem, na? Same data. 104.71 radians per second. Okay. And what is the slip here? Two not 5. Okay. 206. 206. 207. Ups. 207. What is this? Tell me what is this slip here? NS minus
0.04 LS minus
Ah.
LR
NS. So how much? 1000 minus. Okay. 1000 minus 960 by 1000. So that is equal to 0.044. Okay. So what is the torque equation of induction motor? Who is next? 207. Your number 207
Yes, sir.
and 208. Who is 208? Absent. 209. 19 series 209. General total torque equation of complete torque equation of induction motor 3 divided by omega s into 209 19 series absent. 210 is also absent. 211 absent. 212
Yes, sir.
212. Tell me what is the torque equation?
3 by omega s into
Ah.
s into v2 square into r2 by
Wait 3 divided by omega s into
s into v square into r2 by
v square into r2 dash by s.
r2 into s, sir. Okay, sir. S
Oh,
by
good.
s.
And then
R2 s by s whole square plus x2 by
r1 plus r2 dash by s whole square. Good. Plus
plus
x1 plus x2 whole
x2
square.
by x2 square.
Okay. Okay, substitute all these values. So what is the here 3 divided by omega s? What is the omega s here? So who is next? Your number 212.
Yes, sir. Then
Okay. Okay. 213. 213. Absent. 214. Absent. 215. 214. 214. Just substitute this value. So how much here V? How much voltage V here? What is the voltage here? It visible or not? Huh? 400 by star connected system, na? 400 by 3. Okay. And then R2 dash, how much R2 dash? 0.6. 0.6 divided by 0.04. Good. Whole divided by R1. 0.4. 0.4 plus R2 dash. How much? 0.6 by
0.04
whole square
whole square
plus
plus
x1.
x1
Much 1.4. Same.
0.4
So 1.4 into 2, otherwise 1.4 plus 1.4.
whole square.
So tell me what is this answer? Who is the next? 215. Rohit. Absent. 257. 16 series 257. Absent. 17 series 203. Absent. 17 series 205. Absent. 17 series 208. Absent. So regular is over. Then coming to the IDP. Who is the IDP first term? P series 201. 18 series P series 201. Just I'm asking the result. What is this answer? What is the dark here? P series 201. 18 series IDP. Absent. 202. Just tell me what is the answer by using calculator.
93.55.
The torque equation. 93
93.55.
Newton meter. Check it, is it correct or not? Anyone respond, is it right or not?
It is correct, sir.
Okay. 93.55 or another 3 by 104.2 400 by root 3 whole square 0.6 divided by 0.04. Is it right or not? Check it. But I got a different answer. Check it, all of you. Anyone response is correct or not? I got this much. If it is right or not, verify this answer. 280.16. I got like this. This right or this right? (93.55) or 280.16 Newton meter. Three divided by 104.7. Use calculator. Anyone check if this answer is correct or not? (0.6). I think this is the correct answer. Check it, verify this answer. This answer is correct or not. 280.16. I got like this. Okay. P series 202. Okay. 203. Madhumurali is absent. 204.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me it is right or not. Use calculator, find this. Is it okay or any another value, some another value? Okay.
So that 93 one is the correct.
93.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much? Tell me.
I
93.
got 95.12, sir.
95.12
12.
Newton meters. All of you got same this. Okay, so then this is a fan tape loader.
93.55, sir.
93.
93.55.
Okay. 93.55 Newton meter. This is the torque resistance. Okay. Then so fan tape load only. Fan tape. Question. Third question only. Star connected slip ring induction motor is the following referred to the stator. The motor does fan tape load, fan load. So here also this torque expression is proportional to the speed scale. Torque is equal to K times of N scale. Okay, fan tape load. Torque is proportional to N scale. And then torque is equal to here K into, that is called rotor speed, ns into 1 minus s whole square. Am I right? Okay. So who is next? 205. 205. Tell me the result of this. What is the K value here? Substitute here torque 93 points. Tell me. 93.55 is equal to K into how much speed? ns
NS 1000, sir.
1000. 1000 into 1 minus how much slip here?
Slip
0.04.
Yes.
0.04 into. Tell me what is the key value here? What is the key value? 93.55 is equal. Find the K value. Anyone respond? 1 minus 0.
0.01.
Hmm?
0.010.
0.0 1015. Okay. 0.01015. So so by using this K value, so here also same way. So we need to find the torque load torque at 800 RPM. The question is given, find the resistance, external resistance at 800 RPM. No? Same as previous problem. So 800 RPM, at 800 RPM, find the rotor resistance. Okay, what is the resistance must be connected in phase of the
Sir,
rotor
we
circuit?
directly compare T is equal to Kn square for both. sir.
Okay, this also you will get like this. T is equal to TL. This way also you will get. So first find torque at 800 RPM. TL is equal to K times of n square. Okay, K is called this. And this means at 800 RPM, what is the torque? So 800 post. Tell me what is the load torque here? 0.000115 into. Tell me. What is the load torque? Who is the next? 206. Absent. 207. Absent. 208. Absent. 209. 208.
I do not get
Tell me what is the torque here?
the K value, we are getting 1.0 to 10.6.
So you are getting K value how much? This is different. 1 point
0.1 to 10.4.
10 to the power of
-4.
got like this 1.01 into 10 to the power of -4. So verify 93.55 divided by so 1002 and minus. I'm checking this the result is correct or not. .01. Okay, so this is the correct. So this is also the right, I think. 1.015 into 10 to the power of minus. Substitute here and find this answer into 800 square. I got 64.96 Newton meter. Is it right or not? Check it. 96527.
Yes.
Okay. Your number 208.
Yes, sir.
And then 209.
Yes, sir.
Here under equilibrium condition, T is equal to TL. Na? Same as previous problem. So here load torque TL is equal to 3 divided by omega s into V square. Tell me this formula. R2 dash plus R external divided by S plus stator resistance or R1. R2 plus R external divided by S whole square plus X1 plus X2 whole square. Substitute this values. Tell me what is the values here. 64.965. This is equal to 3 divided by omega s 104. Substitute all values, and then from this relation only unknown is here Re. This only is unknown value is called Re. Okay. So these are remaining are known. By using this equation, find external resistance R. Same as the previous one. Okay. And the remaining 209. Okay. 210. Absent. 211. Absent. 211. Okay. 212. 210. 210 present. 212. Absent. 214. 215. Absent. U series 201. Absent. 203. Absent. 204. U series 204. 205. Then 206. U series 206. 207. Absent.